Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Outlook Mail, and in this video I will show you how to send large attachment file in Outlook and using your OneDrive without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you open up your OneDrive account. So if you are using Android phone, go ahead and go to your after you open up your OneDrive account, then what you need to do here is to make sure you upload the large file into your OneDrive right here. So for that, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on upload. Then go ahead and select your large file from the from your phone gallery right here. It can be images, or it can be audio, it can be video, as the case may be, or it can be documents right here. So what you need to do is to select the large file that you want to send through your Outlook mail. So for that, I'm going to use a particular document as an example right here. So I'm going to uncheck all this and I will check on document right here. Now we have document right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select a particular document. Let's say, for instance, this is a large document right here. So go ahead and upload. So after you successfully upload, you are going to see the document right here, refresh, and then we have the document right here. So next thing we want to do right here is to exit from our OneDrive, and then we go ahead and open up our Outlook. So if you don't have these two apps on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, so just go to your Android Play Store. If you are using Android phone, go to Play Store right here. And then what you need to do right here is go ahead and open up your Play Store and click on search. So the first app you need is Outlook. Hit on search and then make sure you download and install Outlook. You can see I've already downloaded and installed it. That's why it says open right here. The other app you need here is to come to the search right here. Go ahead and make sure you type in OneDrive. So OneDrive, then hit on search. Then you can also make sure that you download Microsoft OneDrive. So with that, you are good to go. Next thing we want to do here now is to go ahead and make sure I open up my Microsoft Outlook mail right here. Just like so. So having opened up my Outlook mail, next thing we want to do is to click on this icon right here. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and enter the recipient mail. Then go ahead and enter the subject of the mail. Then come down to the body of the mail right here. Make sure you delete this. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on attach icon. So click on the attach icon. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on choose from files. So here we go. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on device. The next thing you want to do is to swipe this way and select your OneDrive. Then go ahead and open up files. Then from the file right here, you want to make sure that you select the file you upload to your OneDrive. And just like so. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on send right here. And the file will be sent successfully. It's that simple. So this is how to send a large file from OneDrive to Outlook Mail without any stress. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.